Hi, I'm Missy Creed, a librarian from the Library for Health Information, or the LHI. The LHI is a consumer health library located in the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center in Columbus, Ohio. The LHI provides free, reliable, easy to understand health resources for medical center patients, their families, and the community. Medical center clinicians can also refer patients to the LHI if patients are interested in finding more information on their own about their health diagnoses. Today, the LHI is highlighting diabetes. We are chatting with Jenny Shrodes from the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center's Diabetes and Metabolism Research Center. Jenny is a diabetes educator. I'm going to let Jenny introduce herself, the Diabetes and Metabolism Research Center, and maybe share an interesting fact about herself. Jenny?
Hi, thanks for having me today. I'm Jenny Shrodes, and I am a diabetes educator for the outpatient care at Ohio State. And an interesting thing about myself is that I've cooked in the Culinary Institute of America kitchens in Hyde Park, and I won first place in the cooking contest.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Healthy eating for all of us is so important. Food is fuel for our bodies, and it's medicine for our bodies as well. Eating healthy if you're diabetic is so very important. Before we get into a recipe, could you share with us what makes a recipe diabetes friendly or diabetic friendly?
When I look for a recipe, I'm looking for something that uses low carb. So per serving is around 15 grams of carbohydrates. I'm looking for it to have healthy fats, so unsaturated fats. If it has meat in it, I'm looking for lean meats. I'm looking for lots of vegetables.
Can you give us a simple, quick recipe using not too many ingredients that maybe is your go-to recipe for, it could be breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
I love breakfast for dinner, and eggs are a great source of protein. So I like to use the breakfast skillet recipe, and that's just some eggs. And of the eggs, I pluck out some of the egg yolks so I don't have as much bad fat or cholesterol in the end of the product. I'll add any vegetables I have, especially if they've already been cooked. Leftover vegetables work great. And I might sprinkle some cheese in that, just a little bit to give it flavor, salt and pepper, and use a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick to the pan.
I've been attending some virtual cooking demonstrations that your department co-sponsors. Could you tell us a little bit more about those classes and the recipes?
Yes, it is diabetes-friendly cooking demonstration. It happens every Tuesday at noon, and we are happy to send you the information on how to register for that. Once you register once, then you can join us every Tuesday or any Tuesday you'd like at noon. We do about 2 recipes every demonstration. We keep it under 20 minutes. We work with 2 chefs from the medical center. We also send an email before and after to send the recipes to the people who have participated, and everything is recorded so that you can watch it as many times as you'd like.
Those virtual demonstrations are open to anyone, a medical center patient, their family, a staff member's family, the general public. Is that correct?
Everyone is welcome, and it is free.
Thanks so much to Jenny Shrodes for joining me today. For more information about the Diabetes and Metabolism Research Center, please call 614-688-6251. To obtain copies of some diabetic-friendly recipes, please contact the LHI. For more information and free handouts on diabetes, please contact the Library for Health Information at health-info@osu.edu. To learn more about the Library for Health Information, please visit our website at go.osu.edu/HSL-LHI. See you next time.